welcome to an upgrade video. This time I'm upgrading the MacBook Pro 13-inch model from 4GB of memory to 8GB of memory, and what you can see me doing at the moment is using a very small Phillips screwdriver and taking my time to remove the screws from the underside of the MacBook Pro. Bit of advice: when you take the screws out of each section, just pop it to the left or the right hand side of the hole so that you'll know exactly what screw goes where, because you will have a world of pain if you just put them all on one side and then try and pop them back in again. There is some different sizes there, so play safe. And as you'll see here, only takes a few minutes. Pop everything off and that's you get access to the memory. In here, that's the original memory, so that's what's coming out. And removing the memory, pretty straightforward. Just a case of two clips. Pop those in. Memory literally just springs back out. Bottom one's a bit tighter, so you will maybe have to take your time with that. Use the tip of the screwdriver to just press the little clip and it will come out. Just take your time with it. And the memory that I'm putting into this is two 4GB sticks. They're from Crucial. The reason why I use Crucial is perfectly matched. They always work, and if there is any problems, I will instantly get the memory swapped out. So I would rather go down the safe road, especially when I'm using the Mac equipment. So there's the first module in, pretty straightforward. Second one going in. The angle in this one going in is a little bit tighter, so just take your time with this one. And as you can see, just the angle I've tried to put it in there wasn't quite right. Doesn't feel right, so it won't go in. Try again. There we go, straight in. So what's left now, put it back together, and as you can see, because I've got the screws next to the hole, quite easy to just pick them up, pop them back in, screw them in place. And that's as done. And I actually use a protector on the MacBook, so let's just pop that back on. And now it's a case of turn it back on again, keep our fingers crossed, and it should all come back up. And it does seem to take a wee bit longer to load up, but that's it. It's up, it's working. If you're going to upgrade your MacBook, use some decent memory, take your time, and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.